Go.
Alright, I'm going to be completing activity 1, which is the aseptic reactivation of a lyophilized culture. I'm going to be reactivating E. coli, and I already disinfected my workstation with disinfectant solution, which was 9 parts water, 1 part bleach, and I spread the disinfectant solution on my working surface, allowed it to rest for about 2 minutes before drying it. I also used the disinfecting solution to disinfect the test tube rack as well as my grease pencil. I have labeled my Tripic soy broth that I'm going to be placing the culture in, which again is going to be the bacteria E. coli. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and collect 1 millimeter of the Tripic soy broth. So to do that, I'm going to be using a sterilized pipette. I'm going to go ahead and open the sterilized pipette. And I'm going to go ahead and collect about a milliliter of this. So I'm going to flame the mouth, rotating it about 2 times in order to ensure no particles end up in here. I'm going to remove a milliliter. Okay. And then before putting the lid back on, I'm going to go ahead and flame the mouth again. And put the lid back on, place it on my test tube rack. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add this broth to my bacterial culture, which is again E. coli. And I'm going to let that rest for about 30 seconds. The next thing that I want to do is I want to go ahead and collect my bacterial sample and place it into the soy broth. So I'm going to remove the lid. I'm going to insert the pipette, swirl the solution around a little bit gently. I'm going to then extract all of the solution into my pipette. I'm going to replace the lid. And again, I'm going to be placing this into my Tripic soy broth. So I'm going to remove the lid of this, flame the mouth, add the solution, the bacteria, flame the mouth again. I'm going to close the test tube tightly, and then I'm going to go back about 25% in order to ensure that oxygen can go inside of the test tube. And I'm finished, so I'm going to put the pipette in my isopropyl alcohol. And that's it for